Grayscale Bitcoin Trust discount evaporating and traders back new Bitcoin ETF token with more than $12 as sellout looms and SEC approval bets mount. Disclosure: crypto is a high-risk asset class. This article is provided for informational purposes and does not constitute investment advice. By using this website, you agree to our terms and conditions. We may utilize affiliate links within our content and receive commission. Fetch priority equals high decoding equals async class equals align on size full WP image 138,045 SRC equals https://cryptonews.com/WP content/upload/2023/11/1,701,353,733 name 41. JPG alt equals with equals 1080 height equals 1080 SRC set equals https://cryptonews.com/WP content/upload/2023/11/1,701,353,733 name 41. JPG 1080. https://cryptonews.com/WP content/upload/2023/11/1,701,353,733 name 41 300 JPG 300 wa https://cryptonews.com/WP content/upload/2023/11/1,701,353,733 name 41 1924 XO 924 JPG 1924 wa https://cryptonews.com/WP content/upload/2023/11/1,701,353,733 name 41 150 XO 150 JPG 150 https://cryptonews.com/WP content/upload/2023/11/1,701,353,733 name 41 768 JPG 768 wa https://cryptonews.com/WP content/upload/2023/11/1,701,353,733 name 41 64 JPG 64 wa sizes equals max width 1008 x 100 wa 1008 x/Thursday, November 24, 2023. The Grayscale Bitcoin Trust GBTC discount is evaporating, and the new Bitcoin ETF token $BTCF has attracted $2 million from traders, and the latest two indications that bets on the imminent approval of a spot Bitcoin ETF are piling up. Meanwhile, the founder of Galaxy Digital Holdings, Michael Novogratz, believes that a spot Bitcoin ETF approval will see the Bitcoin price return to its all-time high near $69,000 printed in November 2021. We will see a pretty successful shift of psychology when the government says you are allowed to buy Bitcoin, says Novogratz, who expects billions of dollars of new money currently sitting on the sidelines to flood into the market. Bloomberg Intelligence analysts reckon there is a 90% chance of a Bitcoin ETF being approved. It is this expectation that has seen the price of Bitcoin double this year to outperform all other asset classes. The new Bitcoin ETF token is gaining traction as the only cryptocurrency designed specifically to reward its holders when a spot Bitcoin ETF is approved. Its value is tied to real-world milestone events related to Bitcoin and Bitcoin ETF products, such as their approval, launch, assets under management, and trading volumes. These milestone achievements act as trigger points for burns that drive up the value of the $BTCF token, which is proving to make the new cryptocurrency one of the smartest ways to play the Bitcoin ETF investment theme. For those who are able to access the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust over-the-counter market through their broker of choice, this provides an alternative approach for playing this market. At the beginning of this year, the discount was 46%, but today it is just 8%. The discount measures how much less than the net asset value the value of the Bitcoin it holds the shares are trading for. If the trend continues or speeds up, then GBTC could start to trade at a premium again, as it is done in bull markets. However, the downside of the GBTC bet is that when the trust is converted to an ETF from its current closed-end structure, funds are likely to exit as profit-taking kicks in. Also, to the extent to which it trades at a premium, this has been an add-on price that institutional investors have been willing to pay in order to secure a regulated route into the crypto asset class. The approval of a spot Bitcoin ETF will wipe out the rationale for the premium if GBTC were ever to trade at a premium again. Market participants expect the spot Bitcoin ETF to be approved as soon as January 10, 2024, so there is not much time for GBTC to flip to premium pricing. With $BTCF, there are none of these issues. On the contrary, because the coin has been designed to leverage approval and other Product development events. It will continue to grow as a value proposition for traders and investors. The $BTCF ICO began a couple of weeks ago, but there are less than 48 hours to go before the next stage price rise from 60 cents to 62 cents. However, at the current stage 6 price ends when $2,488,109 is reached, which could come sooner than the allotted time remaining, increasing the FOMO in the market. There are 10 price stages in all on the road to the $5 million hard cap. As the run rate for the ICO accelerates, there is no time to lose, but prospective buyers must conduct their own due diligence. Such is the excitement in mainstream finance that every week a new issuer enters the spot Bitcoin ETF fray. Swiss asset manager Pando Asset has filed an S1 form at the Securities and Exchange Commission for the Pando Asset Spot Bitcoin Trust. Standard Chartered Bank analyst Jeff Kendrick has set a price target of $100,000 for Bitcoin by year-end 2024 as optimism that the next halving cycle bull run is starting to take root alongside the ETF furore. Switzerland's Pando Asset enters the U.S. spot Bitcoin ETF race among a surge of applicants, including at BlackRock and at Fidelity, hinting at a potential shift in the crypto landscape. Bitcoin ETF also achieves a groundbreaking milestone, raising more than $2 million. Pick twitter.com/NYGZDQIMKF. BTCF token at BTCF token November 30, 2023 Bitcoin ETF token is the only crypto that directly rewards owners as Bitcoin ETFs are approved. Built on the Ethereum blockchain, the $BTCF token initially includes a burn tax when the coin launches on decentralized exchanges DEX. The tax decreases by 1% as each milestone is achieved. There's also a separate burn mechanism of up to 25% of the total supply in order to boost the deflationary scarcity of the coin. 5% of the total supply is burned for every $BTCF milestone that is passed. These two mechanisms mean that owners of $BTCF have the most tightly aligned rewards of any cryptocurrency for the spot Bitcoin ETF growth theme. Buy and stake $BTCF today and earn 120% APY. $BTCF tokens can be bought in pre-sale today and staked to earn an annual percentage yield APY of 120% at the time of writing. There have been $212 million BTCF tokens deposited into the staking smart contract to date, in a testament to the popularity of this passive income route. Staking rewards are distributed in $BTCF over a 5-year period. Each ETH block produced generates a reward of $118 BTCF. IMP decoding equals async class equals align on size full WP image 138,039 SRC equals https://cryptonews.com/WP content /upload/2023/11/1,701,353,508 to name 2023 11 3 at 14 11 38-702 PNG alt equals with equals 1600 height equals 537 SRC set equals https://cryptonews.com/WP content /upload/2023/11/1,701,353,508 to name 2023 11 3 at 14 11 38-702 PNG 1600 WA https://cryptonews.com/WP content /upload/2023/11/1,701,353,508 to name 2023 11 3 at 14 11 38-702 30x101 PNG 300 WA https://cryptonews.com/WP content /upload/2023/11/1,701,353,508 to name 2023 11 3 at 14 11 38-702-1924x344 PNG 1924 https://cryptonews.com/WP content /upload/2023/11/1,701,353,508 to name 2023 11 3 at 14 11 38-702-768x258 PNG 768 WA https://cryptonews.com/WP content /upload/2023/11/1,701,353,508 to name 2023 11 3 at 14 11 38-702-1,536x516 PNG 1536 with sizes equals max width 1600x100 WA 1600x/YouTube crypto expert on $BTCF. This honestly looks appealing. There's a bandwagon rolling for Bitcoin ETF token as evidenced by the number of top influencers that are getting behind the coin. Sampling just some of the media coverage, there's influential crypto YouTuber Matthew Perry, who has told his 200,000 plus subscribers that he likes the concept behind the $BTCF token. This honestly looks appealing, he says. Imp decoding equals async class equals align on sizeful WP image 138,040 SRC equals https://cryptonews.com/WP content/upload/2023/11/1,701,353,555 and name 2023 11 third tone 141,228,880 PNG alt equals width equals 702 height equals 400 SRC set equals https://cryptonews.com/WP content/upload/2023/11/1,701,353,555 and name 2023 11 third tone 141,228,880 PNG 712 https://cryptonews.com/WP content/upload/2023/11/1,701,353,555 and name 2023 11 third tone 141,228,880 30x171 PNG 300 with sizes equals max width 700 TWAPs 100 WA 700 TWAPs / other YouTube crypto experts who like what they see include Michael Rubel with 310,000 subscribers. He is super bullish on $BTC, as he explains in his day-old video which has already amassed 21,000 views. Austin Hilton is also blown away by the coin's concept and tells his 235x subscribers that he thinks it has a unique use case because it is like nothing you have ever seen. Yet another crypto analyst on YouTube tells his viewers to get ready to ride an explosive wave by investing in $BTC. Use $BTC to gain direct exposure to a pivotal moment in the Bitcoin market. It cannot be underestimated just how seismic a spot Bitcoin ETF approval will be for the crypto industry and its markets. For the first time, ordinary retail investors, as well as professional traders and institutions, will be able to gain regulated and cheap access to Bitcoin. In addition, asset managers and financial advisors will soon be able to allocate client funds to Bitcoin without having to enter the futures markets or worry about custody and regulations. If the advent of a spot Bitcoin ETF is anything like as impactful as the launch of the first gold exchange-traded fund in 2003, then hundreds of billions of dollars could flow into the market in the coming years. In the inception year for spot Bitcoin ETFs, Galaxy Digital is expecting inflows of $14 billion. Thanks to $BTC, market participants don't need to wait for the launch day of the first spot Bitcoin ETF in the US to get exposure to this inflection point in the crypto market. Instead, investors can buy Bitcoin ETF token today to align their portfolio with the historic Bitcoin bull run to come. To purchase $BTC, connect a crypto wallet funded with ETH or UST or use a bank card to make your contribution. Buy Bitcoin ETF here. Disclaimer. Crypto is a high-risk asset class. This article is provided for informational purposes and does not constitute investment advice. You could lose all of your capital. Enter your email for our free daily newsletter or quick 3-minute read about today's crypto news. Sign up IMD SRC equals https://sim.co/p/ml300 JPEG alt equals image class equals IMD ID equals newsletter pop-up IMD.